In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a concept map in Confluence Cloud with draw.io. To get started, open the Confluence page where you want to add your concept map. Make sure you're in the page editor because that's where you'll insert and build the diagram. If your page is already open, simply click into the area where you want the concept map to appear. Choosing the right spot first helps keep your page organized and makes it easier to place the diagram exactly where readers will expect to find it. Once you're inside the editor, locate the section of the page where you want to insert the diagram, then type /draw.io. From the suggestions that appear, select draw.io diagram. This will open a pop-up window. Give it a moment to load completely before doing anything else, since the available options may take a few seconds to appear. After the pop-up finishes loading, you'll have a couple of ways to begin. You can choose blank diagram if you want to create your concept map entirely from scratch, or you can use a template to save time. In this example, we'll use a template. On the left panel, search for concept, then browse the available concept map templates. When you find one that matches the layout or style you want, click on that template and then click Create. The pop-up will reload and open the draw.io editor directly inside Confluence. Now you can start customizing your concept map. In the editor, use the left panel to add shapes and connectors by dragging them onto the canvas. This is where you build out your ideas visually, linking concepts together in a clear and structured way. If you want to edit an existing element, just click on it. You'll see handles that let you resize or rotate the object. If something isn't needed, press Delete on your keyboard to remove it. To move any element, simply drag it to a new position on the canvas. When an object is selected, the formatting controls will appear on the right side of the editor. These are organized into tabs such as Style, Text, and Arrange. Use these options to fine-tune how your concept map looks, whether that means adjusting colors, changing text, or organizing elements more neatly. Taking a little extra time here can make your diagram much easier to read. When you're happy with your concept map, click Publish in the top right corner. That will insert the finished diagram into your Confluence page. And that's it. You've successfully created a concept map in Confluence Cloud using draw.io.